Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have a plus size Dia & Co try on haul. If you're not familiar with Dia & Co, they are a plus size brand that carries sizes 10 through size 32, which is the equivalent of a size 5X. If you have been on this channel previously and seen my previous videos, you know that I have hauled from Dia & Co before. This is a company that I have been shopping from and also collaborating with for a couple of years now. I just love their pieces because of their quality. Dia & Co carries some of the best quality in clothing. Specifically in jeans. I just love their jeans, and the quality of their jeans has lasted me for years. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Nora. I do all things plus size fashion, beauty, and lifestyle, different hauls here and there. So if any of that interests you, feel free to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you could be updated when I upload new videos. I typically upload once to twice a week. I also wanted to show you kind of what their jeans are like and the fit and the style of different jeans that they carry. I'm a big jeans person with Dia & Co. That's some of the favorite, my favorite item to shop from them is jeans. For reference, I typically wear a size 24 to 26, depending on the brand or the style, which is a 3X, 4X. It just depends on the brand and the style. 5, 4.5, if that helps at all. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and keep this short and sweet and show you guys what I got. And some of these items are items that I have collected for the past like 2 or 3 months because I just wanted to get some more items together to share with you for a Dia & Co haul. And as usual, I will link everything in the description box below with my link, or you can also use my code ThatNoraChick on YT, and you can get 30% off your first order with Dia & Co. And they also have the option of doing a styling like their styling service is basically they send you a box of about 5 items that the stylist helps pick based on your preferences, your sizes. So when you sign up for the styling service, it's going to ask you a couple of questions like what your style preferences are. Do you like jeans? Do you like dresses? You know, what prints, what patterns, what fabric do you like? And then from there, they go ahead and select about 5 items, and you can do it monthly or quarterly or every couple of months. And they send out a box for you, or you can shop directly on the site, which is pretty much what I do. All right, so let's go ahead and get started, and thank you to Dia & Co for sending these pieces out. Again, I will link everything below. Let me know in the comments below which item was your favorite. For me personally, I mean, I'm loving the jeans, and I'm in love with this dress. This is such a beautiful dress. Just wait till you see. It's really, really pretty. And yeah, let me know in the comments below which item was your favorite, and if you've tried Dia & Co before, what items do you prefer, and what other brands you would like to see me haul from. Make sure to comment below. That really helps out so I get an idea of what other types of videos to make, and it also helps other people find my videos. So thank you guys for watching. Let me go ahead and try these on for you. Okay guys, so first up is this beautiful, gorgeous dress by the brand Chic in a size 24. This dress is a beautiful skater style, kind of that fit and flare style dress. It does have pockets, which I love. Super comfortable, so pretty. The off the shoulder area is smocked, so that bust area has a lot of stretch to it, and it's very flared, very roomy. I love the fabric. It's very lightweight, very comfortable, very true to size, and I'm just living for this color with the polka dots. It's a yes for me. Okay, this next one is also by the brand Chic, size 24. I would say size up with this one. It does run a little on the shorter side, but I love this dress. It's a kind of like that yellow floral print, which is perfect towards the end of fall, like for the beginning of fall. You could wear this with like a denim jacket and a good layering piece with this dress. It's super pretty, very comfortable, and also very lightweight. This next piece is this beautiful top. It is an off the shoulder, and it has little heart prints on it. I thought it was super cute. It's like that peplum style, but the chest area is smocked, and then I paired it with the Bristol skinny jeans. These are the ankle skinny jeans in dark wash, size 26. These jeans are like everything. I'm just living for them. And I paired it with this cute little top, which I thought made a really cute outfit. This top also is a good piece to wear with like black leggings. I thought it would look really cute with jeans or leggings. and the top is a size 22, 24. These jeans are like my favorite new pair of jeans. They're so stretchy, so comfortable. They have a ton of stretch all the way up to the waist, and they reach your ankle. So these are the Graceland ankle skinny jeans in light wash, also size 26, but these jeans run a little smaller than the other ones, so I would say size up for these, but they are comfortable. I do love this top. It is the Victoria Blouson top, and this is a good piece to layer. This little floral top, you can layer it under like a denim jacket for fall. So I thought it was very comfy, like a good everyday outfit to go out. And the jeans just fit really nice, and I'm loving the quality in these jeans, you guys. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below which outfit was your favorite. Thank you to Dia & Co for sending these out, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all next time.
Some might treat their lovers like guys. Smoke them up and leave them, changing with the seasons. But you know that shit ain't my style. I just want the OG, it's always been it for me. Yeah, you saw me when nobody would, and he loved me good, through the bad and the ugly. He never got a knock on wood. Tell him, baby, don't worry. I don't need distractions, I don't need the fun. I just want the one that's